Welcome to our vlog.
Hello! Ayan, nakamask na naman ako. Alam nyo na, you know the drill. Nako-conscious talaga ako sa, lips ko. But, compared to the past few days, it's better na. It's not that cracked already and it's not that dry. It's actually decent. Pero, I don't want to show it yet. So, let's continue with the mask. But anyway, I wanna show you my haul from Venus. I have 1, 2, and hindi ko na siya ating buhatin kasi ang bigat niya. 3 plastics of things, and this 3 plastic is worth $100. And you know, I push na ma-reach yung $100 para sa free delivery because I cannot attempt to pay the delivery fee for, cannot remember how much is the delivery fee, but the only purpose of this delivery is this safeguard. Ang mahal ng safeguard ko, $100. But yeah, because this is the only soap that I like Dwayne using. So may mga sabon, yung mga dati ang mga gusto sa sabon ni Dwayne, yung mga fruity from Bath and Body, no, not Bath and Body Works, the Body Shop. Lagi siyang bumibili doon yung mga fruity scent. Ayoko. Gusto ko yung amoy safeguard, yung mabango. So I always ask him to use safeguard, and he only have one, and ayaw niyang gamitin kasi last na nga daw. So I keep looking and the price at Shopee is horrible. Ang mahal. And then ang tawag doon, wala sa ibang shop. And then I can't remember who told me that meron sa Venus, pero dahil nga dun sa circuit breaker close, so I need to go online. And dahil napakamahal ng shipping fee, pinush ko na lang lahat bilhin. Although, yung mga nandito naman, kailangan ko naman, pero hindi siya urgent. Pero ang importante, hindi siya madaling masira. So, yeah, grabe talaga. Ang dami kong sinabi dahil lang dun sa ano eh. But yeah, so this is my very sought after safeguard. So, yan. Ang dami ng stock ni Dwayne. Kasi usually sa Pilipinas kami nagpapabili. Kung sino yung pupunta, nagpapabili ako. But yeah, now hindi na natuloy sila mama dito. Tapos walang nagbabiyahe, so wala. Na-cut yung supply ni Dwayne ng safeguard. So at least now we have a lot na. So yeah, everything is good. And I bought, tsaka napansin ko sa Venus, hanggang ngayon nag-aano pa rin sila, purchase control ba yung tawag doon. So every product maximum is 3 pieces lang. So I bought downy. Medyo mura yung downy nila doon, $650 I think or $680. So I bought 3 of this, yung maximum na pwede bilhin. Although marami pa akong downy, pero hindi naman kasi masisira yan, so okay lang. And I always buy the anti-pack. Ayoko ng mga ibang amoy. And speaking of scent, I like this brand. Pero hindi ko alam kung paano yung tamang pronunciation. Is it Renoset? I'm not sure. But I saw they have a lot of new smell. So I bought 4. Yeah, 4. It's way cheaper than the Glade, and ang bango niya. So I got this After the Rain, Pure Breeze, Pure White Pear Lavender, and Pure Ocean Breeze. So nilalagay ko to sa toilet kasi yung namin, yung sa toilet namin sa may bandang kusina. So pag nagluluto yung aking mga kapitbahay, especially Yung isang kapitbahay ko, mahilig silang magprito. So, hindi ako masyadong fan ng amoy ng prito ng isda. So, gusto kong laging may amoy dun sa CR. So, yun. And then, I bought this Dettol surface cleaner. So, ayan. Dalawa. And it's nice. It says here, suitable for chopping boards, high chairs, changing mats, fridge, bins, kitchen sink, buffet tops, and toilet seats. So it's nice. I plan to use this for cleaning the kids' toys and yung kanila playroom. So, and then I bought these gloves. Pero ang alam ko, hindi ko alam kung mali lang yung ano ko or what. Pero ang alam ko kasi ang binili ko yung plastic. Kasi yung one time nag-chop ako ng sili. Grabe ang hang ng kamay ko. So, gusto ko sana yung may backup sa kusina. Pero parang mali yung na-cart out ko. But never mind. And then I bought this Sistema Sakura Mint. Na hindi ko magagamit. So, considering na yan. And then, kakapush ko na magkaroon ng ma-reach yung minimum purchase kung ano-anong nabili ko. So I bought this powder na hindi naman magagamit nila Zion and Ezra because I use for them the liquid powder. So I will be using that. And then Panadol for backup. This is the Panadol. I think this will be the original lang. And then, I just bought this one. Wala na ako mahanap. So, this one na lang. Sakura White, Pinkish Mood Cream, and Facial Foam. So, I'm gonna put this in the outside toilet. And then, they give me free stuff. So, may free sila. They have this Sunlight, Revitalizing Green Tea and Chamomile Scent, Dishwashing Liquid, and shampoo. Ang ganda ng parang ang advol ng combination. Dishwashing liquid tsaka shampoo. But yeah. And let's go to the last plastic, which is this is snack or food. Ang init nung mask, nakakainis lang. But hopefully very very soon mag-heal na siya. So para hindi na ako nakamask kahit nasa loob ng bahay. But anyway, I bought Oreo. Oh, umiiyak si Ezra. Wait. Okay, say hello to the vlog. Say hello. Bagong gising ang baby. Say hello. Ayan, so let's continue. Luckily, I'm in my last plastic na. So I have this mini Oreo na nasa tub. I bought yes, Oreo. I bought I bought the strawberry and original 3 each kasi pang tatuan lang talaga. And then I bought this Snickers, yung maliliit lang. Na-miss ko lang. Last time nung nasa Pilipinas ako, parang ang hilig ko ng Snickers. So yeah. And then this is the Calbee granola. I like this brand for granola for breakfast. Pero usually ang binibili ko yung yung red packaging. But now I just take this I think this is chocolate and banana flavor. Not very sure pero mukhang ganun na nga. I wanna try this one. So yun. Yeah, this is the last one. And we're done. And may nakuha na yung bulilit. What is that? What are you holding? Huh? That's Coco Snack. Okay, good morning. Happy Saturday. We just had our breakfast and then this boy took out this file, his old file, and he want to do a revision of his things. So we just finished reviewing his continents, and now he want to review this one. What are these called?
Your body.
Your body parts. So what are your body parts?
Kidneys, heart, stomach, liver, intestines, lung, brain.
Yes, and we will revise it to know what are they are for, right?
Right.
Okay. So, ayan, I'm watering the plants outside. So, medyo may tumubong I think this is pumpkin. So, yan. Hindi ko alam kung kakayanin itong pero natutuwa lang ako na may lumalabas. But yeah, and then I have here the calamansi. I'm very hopeful with this one. Gusto ko mabuhay talaga to. And this one is the seeds of kamatis na hindi pa siya nagbo-bloom, so I'm gonna wait for it. Dito ko siya wina-water kasi ayan para mag-drip, hindi dun sa pan kasi dun sa niya dito. Kasi uso ngayon ang dengue. So I don't want it to have any liquid there. Late merienda. It's been a while. Ayan, nag-focus din. How is it? Good?
Yes.
Kain po.
I didn't go. Okay. Must do it far away from the camera. Daddy, go outside so you'll not hear me. Okay. 1, 2, cha cha cha. 1, 2, cha cha cha. 1, 2, cha cha cha. Ah. Now that's great.
Messy morning! Ayan, natiklop ko na yan. Kaso, hindi pa na ipapasok. And, look at all these things. And, sa wakas, nakahawak na siya ng iPad after so many
Years.
so many years. OA ka naman, anak. And then, there is Daddy without shirt. So, he's using Ezra as a shirt. Hello, Ezra boo! You got scared, huh? Daddy scared my baby, huh? See, the kawawa face. Kawawa naman ng baby na yan. Uy! Ay! Kawawa naman ng baby. Palo. Hayo palo. Palo. Ay! Palo. Palo, Daddy. Hayo palo, Daddy. Palo. Palo. And then, I just sold this 3 stuff. So, inano ko na siya, binundle ko na siya. This activity table, ayan, at saka yan. Iko-collect siya, actually now, in 10 minutes. So, doing is gonna go down. And then, yeah. Grabe, this thing, hindi nababakante. Always, there's something inside. But, there's something hanging, but yeah. Hindi ko na siya tinanggal dito kasi si Zion, mahilig siyang umakyat dyan sa may bintana. Tapos pinupush niya yung salamin gamit yung paa niya. So, very, dangerous. So, this one, in here, hindi siya makaakyat. So, I think I will put it there first. Oh, spinning! Spin! Hello! Nag-bake ako first time ng Spanish bread. Kaso wala, naubusan ako ng breadcrumbs for coating. So, ganyan siya. Plain siya. But, yeah. Nag-break yung dun, Hindi siya ganun perfect. Pero, let's try how the taste and the texture. Kawawa na yung oven ko. Kailangan nang linisin. But, yeah. Why? What happened? Good morning. Ayan. Wait lang. Aray ko, nananabunot ka, anak eh. What up? Oh, meron daw kaming delivery, sabi niya, dun sa gate. We have a Jollibee delivery because today is World's Chicken Day. I saw it on the internet. They say today is the World Chicken Day. Do you wanna eat na? We have food. Daddy ordered food for us. It's on the gate. And I'm not wearing mask because my lips now is a little decent. Hindi na wala siyang crack and wala siyang dryness, I feel, and hindi na siya masakit. So I'm a bit confident na pakita yung aking face. But yeah. Hinahabol niya. Dun, 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 dun. Your saliva, wipe. Coco is here. You didn't keep the the Legos on the floor, the small Legos. I told you cannot put them on the floor because baby might bite it or swallow it, right?
Right. Last time he swallowed a piece of paper.
Yeah, he swallowed a piece of paper.
But this is a big Lego, so he can play with this. And these two Legos are H.
Oh, you made uppercase and lowercase H?
Yes.
What is that on the gate?
So this is our chicken with no rice. So we're just gonna eat chicken because it's chicken day. Yeah.
Sumasayaw. Silly Coco. Nagpapainit ako ng tubig. Magkakape ako. And look who's with me in the kitchen. Hello. Hi. Pinatayo ko siya dun sa sa stepping stone ng IKEA. What happened? Is that your biscuit? Is that your food? Pinapainit ko yung dun. Yung last 2 pieces of Spanish bread. Tulog pa rin si Coco. Where's Coco? Where's Coco? Hello! Ay, ano ba yan? Ayan, 8:20 na and umiiyak si Ezra. Hindi ko alam. Ayaw niya, pag pinapaupo namin siya sa kanyang high chair, especially sa gabi, ayaw niya. Kakain lang siya konti, tas ayaw, iiyak na siya. So, I don't know what's wrong with him. Hindi niya feel kumain lately. Pero kaninang lunch naman, kumain naman siya. Okay naman. So, I don't know what is his problem. But, yun, kakatapos ko lang magluto ng bilo-bilo. Gusto kong kumain ng bilo-bilo for dinner. Kasi hindi pa ako na TMI, pero hindi pa ako nagbabanyo. At tuwing kumakain ako ng bilo-bilo, nakakatulong siya. And, what is that? I'm preparing some, I'm preparing food for tomorrow. Dapat namin to dinner kasi hindi ako nakapagluto. And then, meron pa kaming natirang 3 chicken from lunch. Yung Chicken Joy. So, yun na lang yung dinner nilang mag-ama. And then, ako bilo-bilo. And then, now, iluluto ko to para makain ni Dwayne ng breakfast. So, chicken. Minarinig ko na yung chicken kanina. I marinated it with the bibigo sauce. Nakalimutan ko, barbecue ba yun? But yeah, and then kinuha ko lang kung ano available na vegetable dyan sa ref. Kasi, yung usual na delivery ng gulay namin, wala silang slot for our area last Saturday. So, wala kaming, ha? Last Sunday, yesterday. So, wala kaming vegetable delivery for the week. Kaya walang laman yung ref ko. Ano lang, bell pepper, tsaka konting broccoli for Ezra. Yun lang. Walang masyado. Pati yung kamatis ko, wala na rin at tsaka carrot. So, we actually need to go buy some vegetable or maybe I'll buy online. Ayun, so habang inaantay kong lumambot yung chicken, kakain muna ako ng aking dinner, which is the bilo-bilo na sinabi ko kanina. Tinikman na ni Dwayne. How is it, Baba?
Nice.
Okay?
Nice.
Nice daw. So, yun. And si Ezra is gonna shower na.
Oh yeah, I forgot that's a thing.
Shower?
Do you think we should build
Yes?
Probably. I'm not sure over the mountain.
He's a little bit.
Yeah, medyo grumps talaga siya. And si Zion kumakain ng dinner. Eat properly na, Papa! Favorite niya talaga karne. Itong batang to, puro karne. So, yun. After this, we're gonna prepare to go to the room na. Kasi may pasok na bukas. And then, I'm messaging the lady. May pick up akong bukas. Pipick upin yung binenta kong may binenta ako sa carousel. So, sabi ko, papick up niya before or after I fetch Zion from school. She say okay. So, yun. Night-night! Night! Hey! Night ka! Can you see in the vlog? And on the video?
Okay, I think this is perfect. Yeah, you think that's good?
Little
Yeah.
bit only.
Okay.
Night!
Fill in the rest.
He's busy. He's eating all the meat.
Yeah, let's make
Eat rice also.
Thank you for watching. Bye.